over here.
Is this the only one?
It's this that serves this train, you mean? Like, cause there's Jordan Bowl, this is the only lift, and then there's like the Oz Quad up off to the left, which is closed though.
And then how about so then to get over, can we ski to the rest of the mountain?
Yeah.
We can either do what, that chair?
We can take the two-way chair, or we can ski over.
Okay.
Oh, there's a little, there's a green.
There's a green trail that you can get down to North Peak. So.
Yeah, but then it's like, but to get home, we always have to get on this.
Yeah. I mean, it could be worse. Could be like.
I was just making sure
Oh, yeah, it could just be a stupid ass. It could be a stupid ass double chair. It's like 4, I think. I mean, it probably has to be at 4 so people can get back to the mountain. They get back to the hotel.
Oh, it's really coming down.
Yeah.
Oh, they have no snow over there.
Yeah, that's probably why all of those are closed. Oh yeah, that's that Oz Quad right by those trees.
It'd be nice if it went down like 5 degrees.
Should have brought like a cleaner or something for my GoPro. It's gonna get covered today.
Oh yeah.
Does it look bad?
Well,
It just has wet on it.
On the lens?
well, I mean, at some point it will. I mean, it's all just wet, snow coming down.
Yeah. This is supposed to get replaced with an 8-pack, you know?
Oh really?
Yeah.
This?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, the main reason they're doing it is wind. And also the Jordan Hotel. Because like there's the top 2 towers, it gets super windy. And that's why it's down for wind hold a lot of the time.
So replacing it with an 8-pack will do what?
It's a bubble 8, bubble 8-pack, so the chairs will be a lot heavier. So they'll be more wind resistant compared to like an open quad chair like this, which is really light. So. I think it's tower 14 and 15 are the top 2. So we're pretty close to the top. I like this one. It's cool to like go through the trees like this.
I know. Pretty.
It's pretty steep.